Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to do sky replacement in Lightroom using Photoshop. So it's really simple, you don't even have to wait here and selecting this for 1 minute or hour. It takes only a second. So first thing you need to do is make sure you have your photo edited, as you can see. Then select here photo right there, click on it and find edit in. Then click on edit in Adobe Photoshop. And it will bring up this window and you have to click on edit copy and edit. Right now it will open Photoshop and your photo in it, and then only one step to change your sky. So go over here to image and edit and find sky replacement right here. Click on it and then, as you can see, easy as that, it will start replacing your sky with the one pre-selected right here. And as you can see, my sky is already replaced. I can click on this drop down menu right here and go down. So let's say I want cloudy sky. So click on cloudy sky, wait a second and boom, there it is. Let's say I want some sunrise or sunset, click on it and boom, there you have it. You can also do any other sky that you would like by adding your own sky right here with this plus button. Then you can also shift edge. So this is important setting. So if your image is bleeding too much to your actual image, then change this shift edge and it can shift the edges of sky replacement so it doesn't bleed too much to your actual buildings and everything you have in the foreground. Then press OK, and to save it and move it back to Lightroom, just simply Command S or Control F if you are on Windows. So that's really easy how you can do that. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.